Hello everyone, and in front of me is Samsung S25 FE, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up the device. So once you want to speed up your device a bit, clearing cache is a great idea. To do it, just enroll the settings, then from main settings list select apps. They should be somewhere here. Okay, here. So let's open apps and now select, go app by app, however start with those that you use most often. And now here go to storage and pick clear cache. And just do it app by app. It's best to do it for every app of yours, but if you wish to make it pretty quickly, just go with those that you use most frequently. And that's it. It will definitely speed up your advance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.